Hello students, welcome back to the pronunciation section. We are preparing for the RPSC second grade examination, and right now we are doing the topic of pronunciation and the word stress. So we have some special words today as well. The words ending with CIOUS, actually people think that this will have the pronunciation as precious. First thing first, it's not precious, it's precious. Precious. So this sound won't make CS. It's not CS, but it will make shus. The sh sound, a sound, and so. The S sound, so sound, shus. So it's not precious, it's precious. Precious. This will be transcribed as precious. Precious. And then gracious. The difference is it's precious and this will be gracious. Gracious. The actual difference is here A and A. The spelling is, if you consider from here, the spelling is similar, CIOUS in the last. But if you do the phonetic transcription of this word, it's precious, precious, and it's gracious, gracious. And here also CIOUS will make shus, shus, delicious. It's very simple. Deli is very simple, and delicious, delicious. So precious, precious, gracious, precious, gracious, and delicious. And then CIOUS will make the sound of shus and conscious. The k sound, o sound, and n sound. Conscious. Conscious. Are you conscious? And this will also be the CIOUS will be shus and SSIAN or SIAN will also be shun. Shun. So Russian. 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 And the last one is totally different. See, if you consider all these words, this word will totally confuse you because the sound of this word is completely different from all these words. It's not Asian, it's Asian. Asian, it's Asia, something that is in pleasure, measure, Asian, pleasure, measure, Asian, Asian. This sound, let me make you understand properly. This is this sound, Asian, Asian. So repeat all the words again. Precious, precious, gracious, delicious, conscious, Russian, and Asian. Here are some important words that will be considered in your second grade examination, and these are very, very important as far as the phonetic transcription and word stress topic is concerned. So these words and the words already told by me are going to be very, very crucial, very, very important for your exam of RPSC second grade teacher, and these words will be definitely asked in the topic of phonetic transcription and word stress. See, phonetic is the American pronunciation, actually what I was speaking recently, and phonetic is the British pronunciation. Let me tell you this as well. This is also a very special word, phonetic. Phonetic. We are doing the topic of phonetics. So if you say phonetic, if you say phonetic, this will be the American pronunciation. And if you say phonetic, if you say phonetic, this will be a British pronunciation. So you have to consider this one. Actually, American and British both are English and both are considered to be the correct English. So this, the American pronunciation and British pronunciation are both considered to be the correct pronunciations. But as far as your exam is concerned, we here in India actually follow the British pronunciations. So you have to remember this one, phonetic transcription.